Why are you in my bed?
Because I'm funny.
Because you're funny. So I'm about to make a face mask. Just need to do some kind of, I don't know, spa day kind of face treatment kind of situation. So my basic face mask consists of, this is a jar of activated charcoal. Wonderful for your face, your teeth, for washing fruits and vegetables. Activated charcoal does wonders, so look that up. I also have my big container of Aztec healing clay, and it is the Indian healing clay, bentonite clay basically. 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. I put a little bit of water in there, you guys. Usually I use rose water, but I'm all out. I'm so mad. I need to re-up with my order. And then I just mix it. Thank you, babe. I wanted to scare you. Why don't you get scared?
I'm sorry.
Okay, do it again.
No.
Come. Okay, knock. Drop my phone!
Did it crack?
No, it didn't crack. That was too much. You overreacted. It was too much. All right, you guys. Here is your Sunday outfit of the day. Okay, so this past week was Veterans Day. So in honor of Veterans Day, you guys, I am doing it cameo style, yes. But as you guys know from my previous video, Sunday is just my chill day. I wear crazy leggings and socks. So that's the chill outfit for today. And shout out to all my veterans that are watching this. I know you're going to be watching it kind of late, but thank you for your service, because I know me, it ain't something that I would do. It's just not for me. But thank you for being brave, though, because it's just not me. I'll be brave at home with my family. I'm just saying. But thank you. So I don't have to cook this morning. My sister did her cooking this morning. We usually take turns with who cooks breakfast on Sundays. So last Sunday I did the cooking. So this Sunday she did the cooking, and she made, can you see? That is called kalaloo. So you guys are getting a lot of Jamaican cuisine in the morning time. We're gonna have kalaloo this morning. I might eat mine with bread. Didn't feel like doing anything too extra like fried dumpling or anything, so it's gonna be kalaloo and bread. So I didn't have to cook. Yes, so happy. So happy. This is how my face looks after the mask. It is super soft. Oh my goodness, it is so soft. And it's a little bit oily right now because I lathered it up with coconut oil just to put some moisture back in my face. So coconut oil, but it's super soft right now. Like a baby's bottom. That's gonna be my concoction for my hair. Right, I think I might need more, but I'm gonna use this first. If this does not use my, if this does not last for my entire head, then I'll make more again and finish up the rest. But Ouch. Yeah, it's a little bit dry. What is that record? No. What you made for dinner?
Not
Hello.
rice and peas.
My sister. Can I taste it?
No.
I think you should feed me.
No.
Come.
I don't want to be on the camera.
All right, turn your back. But can you feed me?
No. If you want, you check.
I think you should feed me. I'm not putting you on camera. I don't know why you're scared to be on camera for. Nobody want to see you anyway.
Okay. Good.
I see a mess at your stove. Look,
You
food
wipe
drop
it
on it.
off.
But now I put off nothing. What you learning in church today?
Pick a tip, man.
Pick a tip, man. So you learned how to get a man in church today. That's where you go every Sunday, me know.
Yes.
Who y'all calling now, Miss Phyllis?
No, did you talk to her?
Yeah, daddy FaceTime me this
But
morning.
of course.
Of course, I want to see my child.
Mm.
Who you calling?
Your man.
My man don't say that I don't want to talk to you. Again. Chickenless. Mandarin orange chicken from Trader Joe's. This is the truth right here. It's very good. I recorded all this already and I didn't record, so I'm telling you guys again. All day, I didn't do anything, but I just laid on the couch, watch movies, oiled my hair, and moisturize it. Okay, I'm coming, Naz. And that's it. Say hello to the people.
That's a satisfied face. See, too bad you guys miss me eating the food. Now you just have to get the face that I make after I eat the food. I'm satisfied the food was good face.
Not
I had an accent and everything. I missed all that.
Wait, okay. Being that you're Trinidadian, say it
Yes.
with a Trinidadian accent again now.
Well, all you miss me eating the food was tasty. I have potato, green beans, I have macaroni with white cheese, I have macaroni with yellow cheese, I have macaroni with purple cheese too.
Yeah.
No purple cheese, Well, here now, that food was real good, boy. I'm gonna lie down right now.
You can't lay down
I
right now.
itis. They call it itis.
All right, Nazi. Hating. Yeah, but you guys, I recorded a whole segment showing you guys what I made. Well, I thought I was recording it, and obviously, I clearly wasn't because, there's no footage. And my husband was there and he was helping me, but I guess it wasn't meant to be for you guys to see. But yeah. But you don't eat. That's meatless chicken. That's one.
Fake chicken?
It's not fake chicken. It's
Soy chicken?
Yeah, so I want you to try it because I know how you love your meat.
I like it. Should I
Okay.
get more?
No, this is my dinner.
This all?
Okay, you can have the rest of that piece. I just want you to try it.
It's pretty good. I like it.
See? Fake chicken tastes good, as you call it.
We can do dust in the dust. We can cut. We can really dust. We can go in dust and we with the shoes. We can do dust with that. We can go in dust with we can go in that with everything like.
So I'm talking about, babe. Good job, Naz. Y'all didn't know my son could do that, did you?
Nope. Where'd he get it from?
I knew he could do
Rap
that.
videos.
He doesn't watch rap videos. My son is just smart like that.
Uncle does.
Yeah, he watches rap battles. That's why Nas battled Yvette last week and beat her. Yes, he did. I got on camera. He battled her in a rap battle, and he told her that she didn't know how to brush her teeth or wash her face, and he won.
Brush your teeth. That's because you're little.
Don't start it up, because he'll shut you down again.
That's because you're little.
Even people on my YouTube page said Nas won.
Just put it on YouTube?
Yep, but you weren't on that. It's your voice. And they said that Nas won.
Really?
Yep.
That's because you're an only child.
Don't
man.
start with him again.
Maya.
Who's that?
Maya, go ask him, my gal.
No, that's a lady's hand. Who's that? Who's taking my child?
Yes, who is
Come
that?
back! Who is it? Seriously?
Khalifa.
Oh my god.
Oh!
Were you ringing the bell?
Yeah.
We did not hear no bell.
Ooh, I like it.
Hello.
That's nice. Hi.
Hi, Kenya.
You ring downstairs bell, not up here, right?
I don't know. She rang the bell.
Oh, because I didn't hear nothing.
He's so young. You guys say.
Watching some of my old videos when I used to make soap. That is me. Look how short my hair was. Oh, not that. Anyway, that's
Come smell it for them and tell me what you think about this
my
one.
hair was
When he
short.
smelled this one he didn't like. So come around.
I actually remember this now that I'm watching the video.
I remember it too.
Look at Josiah.
Wait, he's there?
Joe, look how love you look.
You were so cute.
I can't see.
Yeah, you were cute. Look at you now.
I look
all
the same.
teenaged up. I miss making soap watching these videos. I should start making my soaps again. Those are so pretty, making the cake soap.
The cupcake one, and made
The cupcake soaps.
like a body bath soap.
Uh-huh.
When you drop it in and it fizzes up.
Oh, bath bomb? I miss making those too. All right. What did you just say?
I said, me turn bad boy, so me can't get you.
Send that to grandma.
Serious thing.
Because why? The good guys, they
The
get
guys
a
don't
shot
get
at the end
no.
of the...
Listen, I know women. Listen, I talk to a lot of women about a lot of stuff. A lot
Why?
of women. Because I like to know how women think.
Who you want to be
So I
talking
can be a
about?
better husband to you. So I talk to them and get a.
Oh, okay, all right.
Ah, you see, you gotta know. You gotta know.
That's
But look, I talk to a lot of women, and sometimes I know some guys that are cool. And she be like, yeah, I know he like me, but he's a cornball. He's too
Yeah,
sweet.
yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So this is why.
Ew.
This is
No,
why.
it's not do that.
This is why some guys just choose to just be like that. Because women go for those kind of men. So
Not me.
What kind of men?
The dogs.
them kind. Now I'm gonna
The
be honest,
dogs.
and I'm not just saying this to be sweet
The
and nice.
dogs.
Naughty is one of the few women I met that don't like guys like that.
That don't like dogs?
Like guys like.
I don't like
some
dogs
rude-
either.
Okay, you too. But I don't know you like
I mean,
that.
who
that.
would like dogs?
Some women like that.
Yeah,
They
well,
like that stuff.
dogs?
They like men who are just boastful and arrogant. And,
Yeah.
You know, they,
All into material stuff and
see, but most women are not like that. You know what I'm saying? So
I
guys
like
just
me a
too-
good old nerd, right?
Yeah. Oh. 2 plus 2 is 4.
you guys are so dumb.
We're gonna watch a documentary tonight. Turn up.
Ew.
I love documentaries, okay?
Now hit your
The
channel.
History Channel is the best. Y'all know about that.
See, like I said, what? Isn't that wrong?
But there are some girls out there that like men that are not boastful and like, you know.
That's
It's
what
very
we're
few
saying,
though.
like-
It's very few. I'm
Yeah.
telling you, man.
Like a lot of girls like
I
thugs.
always
Like
hear
to-
women say, a lot of women say, you know, he's too nice, he's too cornball, he's
Yeah,
too.
yeah, but at the same time.
Rubber tablet.
Okay, 1 minute. At the same time, you don't want a guy that's too nice,
Yeah,
that's too
which is
corny.
true.
Because if you were too nice, too corny, I don't know how to do it. You'd have to fix it. You gotta. Have
I mean, not
you
a
gotta
guy
have
who you
some
can
kind
walk
of-
over.
Yeah, you
but-
gotta have some kind of roughness in it. Because if I can walk over you, then best thing I can't be with you.
Nah, I don't rock.
Well, you have to have a balance. It's just
But they usually
like,
Yeah.
initially attracted to the bad boys first. That's just
No.
initially.
Okay. So when I met you in high school, because we've been together since high school. Were you a bad boy in high school?
Oh, you caught me in my bad boy stage. I ain't gonna lie. I was.
You wasn't even bad when I met you
No,
in high school, babe.
Because that's when I was calming down, but that's when I was rolling with Brandon and Leon and all of them.
I don't know who
I was-
Because when I met you, you was not.
I was just,
You just, I don't know, you were regular. You wasn't walk over material, but you weren't like them other kids in the school. Like when I at my high school, them ones that used to skip school. Well,
I used to skip school all the time.
I
Don't
did.
listen to that, kids. Go to school.
Joy.
Alright? Go to school.
I did have to do your homework for a lot.
Oh,
You
she
see,
did?
I did.
I wasn't.
I did.
Like
Even
I said,
though you guys went to different
We went to different high schools, and I'd have to do Maya's homework, and then go to school. We went to different schools, right? I would do Maya's homework because I didn't have much homework to do. I did my homework, I did his homework, and then I'll go to school, go to my 2 classes, and because I was president of the school, I could leave the school whenever I wanted to.
Right.
So I would leave school, walk to his school, drop off his homework, and then walk back to my school and
That's
finish
sad.
my classes.
That is so sad.
But see, I didn't
That's
see the
not
back.
sad.
Some guys would be like, "Yeah, I got this girl doing my homework,
That's not
and I'm
sad.
a player."
That's
You know what I'm
teamwork.
saying?
Thank you, Joe.
teamwork. Oh,
Good
that's
job,
teamwork.
Joe. That's teamwork. Double team the homework.
That's horrible.
I was double teaming over. I did
Yo,
your
I ain't even
homework.
gonna lie. If it wasn't for Nadia, I probably wouldn't have graduated. Yo.
Yeah.
She did a report for me that I was like, yo.
That's not you, and they're gonna know that it wasn't
Hey,
you.
you put me on somebody's team and play.
Yep.
Whose team was he on? It sure wasn't your mom's.
Shoot.
Whatever.
He was on somebody else's team.
I was on mommy team. But yeah, if Nadia didn't do that project for me, it would have been a wrap.
Yesterday,
I would have been.